Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Roblox error code 773. So in order to fix it, you first need to do the steps. So open your Roblox application on your browser first of all. Next, you want to click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner, and from a drop down list, go to settings. As you go to settings, you will then be directed to this field. So here you want to first of all go to security. As you go to security on this page, what you want to do is make sure to log out of all these sessions or click on log out of all other sessions. But before you do that, or before you click on this option, make sure that you know your credential, as this is going to log you out of your account. So once again, re-log in and see whether the issue has been solved. Once again, re-log in and come back to the same page and make sure to go to privacy and content restriction. Make sure that all of these permissions are enabled and see whether the issue is being solved or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, and if you already have Roblox installed to your device, then what you want to do is here you want to locate Roblox Player, right click on the mouse and go to open file location. When you do this, it's going to take you to RobloxPlayerBeta. Then you want to right click once again and go to properties. As you go to properties, come to compatibility tab. Make sure that both these options are enabled, that is, run this program in a compatibility mode as well as run this program as an administrator. Click apply, click OK, and this should be able to solve the issue. Despite all this procedure, if nothing works out, then the last alternative is to uninstall it and reinstall the updated version. To uninstall, click on the control panel and type in control panel once again, and over here you want to come to programs. Underneath, click on uninstall a program, locate Roblox, and when you locate it, right click on the mouse and go ahead and click on uninstall, and this is going to help you out to fix the issue. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.